Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start using pipenv for your Python projects. pipenv is a packaging tool which automatically creates and manages virtual environment and packages. It creates a pip file which lists the packages required for your project. Whenever you uninstall a package, it automatically adds or removes them from your pip file list. It also generates a pipfile.log file which is used to produce a deterministic builds whenever you try to install in different machine or different environments. Let's get started. Here I'm going to create a new file, pipenv demo. Now I'm going to set up this folder as a Python project folder and start creating environments. At first we need to run pipenv shell. When we execute this command, it automatically creates a virtual environment for us and then creates a pip file, which is where all the packages required for this project is being listed. It is similar to requirements.txt file, except that requirements.txt file has to be managed manually, whereas here we need not have to touch the pip file ever. Once the initialization is completed, it has automatically created a virtual environment for our project and activated the project by default. Now, as you can see in this folder, I have only one file named as pip file. Let's see the content of this file. Here you can see the packages required for this project and also dev packages required for this project. Now we will start installing a package. Say I'm going to develop a Flask application. Let me install a Flask. Now the Flask installation is complete. Now if we see the files created in our folder, there is a new file called pipfile.log which contains the hashes of the packages installed in our project, which is used for making a deterministic build how many ever times you install packages in different environments. Now we can see the content of the pip file. As you can see now, the Flask has been added in the package list. The same way, we can also install any packages which are required as a dev dependencies. Say I need to install a PyTest package for testing the application. I need to run install command with dev option so that this package will be listed in dev packages list. PyTest package installation is complete now. Now, if we look at the pip file, you can see the PyTest is being listed under dev packages. Now, when someone checks out the source code and wants to install the package in their machine, they just have to issue command pipenv install, which will install all packages listed in packages section. And if they want to install along with dev packages, they have to issue pip install with an option dev, which will include installing packages listed in the dev packages section as well. Now, if we want to see the dependency graph of the libraries, we can check it out using command pipenv graph. As you can see, our main package which has been installed is Flask and PyTest, and the internal dependency, like the dependencies required for Flask, is being listed recursively like this. Now, similar to the installation, we can uninstall the package from our project folder by issuing a command pipenv and install PyTest. which will uninstall this package from our virtual environment, as well as it updates the pip file so that the pip file is being updated as we run install and uninstall packages. Now uninstallation is complete. You can check the pip file to see that PyTest is being removed from the dev packages section. Hope this might have helped you, and thanks for watching.